I make $500 a day and never have to work a 9 to 5 again with one simple trading strategy. All jokes aside, it's actually extremely accurate, and here's how to set it up. First, go to TradingView and then search for Lux Algo and click the first two right here. Next, go to the settings menu, enable Trend Catcher, and then change the sensitivity to the value displayed on the dashboard. Then go to the settings of the oscillator and enable the Ultimate RSI, disable the URSI plot, and then change the length to 30. The strategy is simple. You only enter once the RSI is above the 50 line, the trend catcher is green, then once you get a buy signal. You can exit once the trend catcher turns red, for instance right here. You can also bet on a move down in the market. For example, you could enter once the price retests the trend catcher and then exit once you get a blue or red exit signal from the main indicator. If these indicators didn't load up on your chart, just click the link in my bio to unlock instant access.